Welcome back. A rare treat for me to interview Nicole Elliott. She's a technical analyst and private investor. Morning to you, Nicole. Right, let's kick off the Dow Jones. You've sent a slide, a succession of higher highs and higher lows. Are you suggesting a market top?
Possibly, but at least we've got a little bit of a something or other last week.
Okay.
And so, sad person that I am, Saturday morning, the first thing I did was turn on my computer and look at all my charts to see if anything really significant had happened.
Okay.
So I kicked off with the Dow in that it had, before last week, had traded up for 10 consecutive days. It's a daily chart we've got there. And there's something called the rule of 8, which some people say the rule of 8 to 10, and some people say it's 13, but it's that feel that when a market moves in one direction only for between 8 and 10 consecutive periods, the move is mature and due a correction. Okay. So not a top, just a correction. The
Japanese actually say the stomach is full.
Oh, do they?
They do.
Oh, I've learnt one, thanks.
There you go.
Thanks, Nick. So what we see here on the daily chart, as well as those 10 consecutive little white candles, you have a little shooting star at the record high, yeah, that you go up and then suddenly go, no, not too happy. But they're all very small ranges, so that's not very punchy type charting, is it? It's all a bit sort of blah, but it's there nevertheless. And then what you have the last week where we closed down on the week, and in other words, we reversed what had happened the week before. That's all, nothing dramatic. But what I think got in people's minds is that we had hit a new record high on the Monday, and then the rest of the week was downhill. And so you feel a bit sort of upset. We're still clearly above that immediate trend line support. We're well above the 50-day moving average, which is that green line, and miles above the 200-day moving average, which is that turquoise line, which you can only just see at the bottom corner on the right. So in terms of this one, there's nothing seriously wrong, but just a few little hints. And again, yesterday, we had another tiny little shooting star type candle, but they're so tiny. I would really, if I was to call a top, I want something a lot more punchy than this. In other words, it's there, but not good enough.
A warning, but no confirmation. Nicole Elliott, thank you very much indeed.